Now this is where having exactly the right tool for the job is important. I'm building a kind of box to hold and protect the guitar synthesizer I use for street performances and to carry it on my scooter. It allows me to turn the guitar I designed into many other instruments. The router, of course, is a great problem solver, and I was able to drill through the box with a dowel drill that will take a short M6 nut and bolt as lid locators, 2 of them. I could have used a drill, but I need precise vertical drilling, so the router is perfect. The box is quite compact and is latex rubber lined, so that the Roland guitar synthesizer fits in snugly and will take the vibrations during freighting on my scooter. It's a bit of a prototype, and I haven't spent time making it perfectly as though it's an exhibition piece. It's hot melt glued together, and I will use an air nailer to reinforce the joints. So I've used sterling board. I think it's quite attractive. So you can see how the top slides in and is secured with the locator pins at the back, and then at the front I'm using 2 round-headed screws that are sunk in flush. I could have routed these slots, but it was quicker to drill and jigsaw them out. So taking the lid off and putting it back on is fairly quick. I couldn't use a hinge lid. I designed this as I went along, and it's more of a working prototype. I can always build a second version later on a little more neatly. But I mean, it was all done in, I don't know, a couple of hours. There's a cutaway for the USB stick that holds all my backing track song files. To avoid losing the screws when using the pedal box, they are secured into the lid. And you can see how I have modified this portable battery-powered amplifier using the same 12mm sterling board. And now a guitar strap to make it easy to carry. Job done.